If you're a speed junkie, then you need to check this out. These animals redefine fast. First up, the cheetah. This big cat can hit 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. That's like a sports car on pause. Next, we have the peregrine falcon, the ultimate skydiver. It dives at speeds over 240 miles per hour. Talk about a high flyer. But wait, there's more. The sailfish is the ocean's fastest swimmer, zipping through water at 68 miles per hour. And let's not forget the pronghorn antelope, sprinting across the plains at 55 miles per hour. Nature's speedsters come in all shapes and sizes. So, who's your favorite speed demon? Let us know in the comments. And remember, the animal kingdom is full of wonders. Stay tuned for more wild facts.